Plant-based cooking, I think, had a bad rap for being brown rice, maybe some beans, or like the side salad that nobody wanted. So it's been really exciting to see that people are leaning into understanding that vegetables, produce, plant-based cooking in general has so much vibrancy, and you can really show how creative you can be as a chef with plants. The plant-based program itself is a very comprehensive program on plant-based foundations, ranging from knife skills and foundational cooking techniques that any person would need in the hospitality field to be successful, but then it goes into specifically plant-based techniques where you're learning how to really take plant-based items and create something that means so much more than just, okay, we're roasting some beets. In the last decade, we've seen a huge push forward for sustainability in general when it comes to our food systems. As professional chefs, we always want to know where our food comes from. We want to highlight that vibrancy of what we can offer to our guests and really nourish them. It's all about knowing those foundational principles that are going to help you in your career, but then from there being able to really carve your niche within plant-based cooking and understand how different items go together, but how to have fun with it as well and really excite people with it. Being able to offer even more exciting and vibrant plant-based dishes is the wave of the future.